Hi mga ka-soldering, so for today's video, ang ipapakita po namin is Cleanroom Notebook Spiral A5 CRNB-S-A5. So, ito po siya. Ayan po ang aming Cleanroom Notebook. Kita nyo naman guys, naka-sealed pa siya. Ano nga ba ang use ng ESD notebook? An electronic lab notebook, sometimes referred to as an electronic laboratory notebook, is a computer program designed to replace paper laboratory notebooks. Scientists, engineers, and technicians use lab notebooks to document research, experiments, and procedures performed in a laboratory. Key functions of ESD notebook. Number 1 is documentation. ELNs are used to document research, experiments, and procedures in a laboratory setting. Next is legal record. A lab notebook is often maintained as a legal document and may be used as evidence in court. It is also referenced in prosecution and property, similar to an investor's notebook. Next is data management. ELN centralize and protect scientific data, making it highly searchable and historical accurate. They promote secure collaboration, greater efficiency, reduce mistakes, and lower total research costs. Next is collaboration. ELNs simplify data copying and backups and support collaboration among many users. Next is security. ELN can have fine-grained access controls and can be more secure than paper notebooks. Next is data integration. ELN allows direct incorporation of data from instrument, replacing the practice of printing out data to be stuffed into a paper notebook. Here are some benefits of using ELNs. Number 1 is improved data accessibility. ELNs make data more findable, shareable, and legible. They also aid in archiving, which aligns with the FAIR data principles. Next is efficient recording. ELN ease the recording of experimental procedures by providing templates and facilitating the reuse of protocols, saving time, and improving project overview. Next is enhanced reproducibility. ELNs log and timestamp edits to content, which is crucial for transparent and research. They also allow linking to relevant data, files, and external resources. Next is regulatory compliance. ELN used in regulated industries must comply with regulation like FDA 21 CFR Part 11 to ensure data integrity in terms of time, authorship, and content. Next is strategic advantage. ELN provide a strategic and competitive edge by enhancing scientific information capture, optimizing workflows, and improving process consistency. They also aid in IP protection, collaboration, and knowledge sharing. So, ayan po. Aming clean notebook. Spiral A5 C RNBS-A5. Yan siya, guys. Ayan. Naka-sealed pa siya, guys. Nakita niyo naman. So, yun lang, guys. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel and TikTok accounts. Thank you!